system is useful for students in reserving tickets. It maintains the data of students and provides them with quick services. It takes away the issue of paper ticket booking and also uses the latest technologies, hence we're providing the best services to the students.
The main objective of our project is to create a shuttle reservation system to reserve tickets, maintain records, track shuttles, and to cancel the ticket. The main problem with the current shuttle reservation is that it is either via offline mode or you have to mail the warden or it is through the Google Forms. It involves three main problems. It includes glitches, it's time consuming and takes physical labor.
Shuttle reservation. Let's get going. It's quite a simple app but very practical app. It's a handy replacement for the current system of shuttle booking. This is a simple login page. New users will have to sign up. Now let's book a ticket. I have decided to go to Botanical Garden this Friday. Our ticket has been booked. All the bookings and cancellations will reflect in the database and can be easily managed.
Advantages of a shuttle reservation apps are user interface is easy to use. Tickets can be cancelled directly through the app. It reduces long process of acquiring the manual outpass.
Now, I would like to continue about the conclusion and future work. A project online shuttle reservation system provides an easy way for booking the tickets. Our project will succeed in managing the data and providing the best service to the users. This system provides protection of information through the mechanism of password, which is incorporated in it. Therefore, only authorized people can access the database. This process is for minimizing human errors and overcoming difficulties and problems. And further, we move on to the future work. This application can be enhanced by many extra features. By improving the user interface can always be improved. Developing a version of payment method and changing the password by the admin. Thank you.